The universe's guide to living the dream one step at a time. Now, what they're saying to me is that just sit down and write what your dream is, and then put into place one step at a time how you can achieve that. So I wrote down I would like to bring peace to the world. So the first step is to be at peace myself, so that I'm vibrating peace, so that others can share in the experience, so I can evolve. So I need to create peace for myself. That means my environment, the people around me. And so this is where the one step at a time goes. Yes, your dream of maybe the biggest dream that you have, maybe to have a center where people can share in the experience, or to have online where people share with others. There's many different ways that your dream can evolve. But by taking one step at a time, you are building the foundation to create it. And then the universe can align with you and help you to make it happen. And this is where people go wrong. They always have a dream, but they have no steps to the dream. They're not implementing. So if I want to create a peace sanctuary, then I need to get people involved, especially ones that can help me to fulfill that dream, that passion I have to bring people together, to bring peace to their lives. And so I also need to create maybe products that people can experience, because when you experience something, then you possibly are more involved or putting more time to that actual experience, and you feel achievement, you feel fulfilled, you feel like you're living. So living the dream is really about the steps you take to live that dream. Now, you can only be for yourself if you want. It doesn't make no difference. A dream is a dream. So if you can bring peace to your life, then you're living that dream automatically. And then you'll get opportunity to share it and to evolve. And then eventually your big dream may take shape. And if it doesn't, does it matter? Is it better not to have a journey than to sit there wallowing in self-pity and, oh, I'm not living, or just staying still and dying? You know, so many people are frightened of dying that they forget to live. And so the universe is telling me that you have to put steps in place. Some steps you might be a bit rickety, might not feel right. And so you have to take a new step. But until you realize that step's not right, then obviously how can you produce a new step? Until you close that door, how can you open another door? And so it's very important. The experience will give you the guidance. When you're doing something, you find how to do it, or a better way to do it, or more ideas. So sit down and write out your dreams, and then ask your heart which one will give you peace and harmony, which one will ignite you, which one will make you feel alive, and then put steps in place to achieve that. Make simple steps, and each one is leading you on a journey. Each one is opening your doors. And when stuff comes to you to do, send it back. Keep the flow going. Don't limit to what it can be. So eventually my peace sanctuary could be that I do a blueprint that everybody creates their own peace sanctuary within the home. Everybody creates their own peace sanctuary in their country. And then all of a sudden we're all linking together and the energies are expanding. And hopefully with our vibration of unconditional love and peace, we're neutralizing a lot of negativity. Or what I like to say is we're bringing balance. Because once you understand that negativity is just as important as positivity for the balance, then you can see life a little bit different. Okay. Make your dream come alive by feeling it. I sometimes do the opposite way. I go to the end result and then work backwards. This is another way of doing stepping stones. Most people think that you have to start at the beginning. Why? Go to a place that's a peace sanctuary. Feel what other people are experiencing there. Open your senses so it makes you feel as though you're in the moment. And if there isn't something that's your dream, then create it. Visualize it. Visualize what it would be and the peace that would come and the connection that you have when you do it. And then the universe will align with you, I'm being told. Then the universe can work with you. The reason why it's not working with you at the moment is because you're too busy focusing on things that are not your dreams. You're so busy focusing on that which is not making you live. It's making you die. You know, an object, once it's bought, is going to, unless it's loved and nourished, it's going to die. It's going to deteriorate. But like a plant, when it deteriorates, it then makes ready with the soil and everything for new growth. So there's different types of things that you've got to understand. Your energy. So unless you're working with energy, unless you're enjoying, unless you're sharing, unless you're creating, then you're not being the energy that aligns with the universe. And so I always ask this question. If it doesn't bring peace, I'm not going to do it. Or if it's something that then can bring me peace, then that's fine. But ask yourself, will this bring me peace? And if it doesn't feel right, don't do it. Because it will always change. A problem will always become a solution when you are the solution. So to understand this, you just have to be in the energy of that which is living the dream. So live the dream every day. And you'll find that more opportunities, more pathways will come your way. So I'm going to live the dream by being at peace in this moment. That's my contribution. Because when I'm at peace, I'll ignite other people automatically. I will connect to more souls automatically. And then my search to bring peace to the world is already happening. We all think that we have to be some big, great gesture, or we're only completed when we have what it is that our dream is. No, it's the stepping stones that's more important. It's the journey, not the destination, that's more important. Then your dreams can grow on the journey. Then your dreams can become not limited by your own insecurities and fears now, and your mind telling you that this can't happen. Just know that your dream today could be something amazing tomorrow. So let's start living the dream. Let's all come together, sharing an experience. Stop judging. Stop making out that we have to do this. Stop fighting ourselves. Stop looking for answers and be the solution. Live the dream.